Hello, and welcome to your English speaking practice. This is a story reading using the shadowing technique. It was a rainy afternoon in October. The sky was dark, and the streets were wet. Autumn leaves danced in the cold wind. Anna stood at her mother's old house, holding a box. The house had been empty for 3 years. Since her mother passed away, no one had entered. The door creaked as she pushed it open. Dust floated in the air like old memories. Anna took a deep breath and walked inside. The smell of old books and rose perfume filled the room. Her hands trembled as she set the box down. She was here to pack the last of her mother's things. They hadn't spoken in months before she died. Their last conversation ended in anger. Words were said that could not be taken back, and now only silence remained. Anna opened a drawer in the bedroom. Inside was a small envelope with her name. Her heart skipped a beat. The handwriting was her mother's. She sat down slowly. Her fingers traced the letters on the envelope. IT had never been opened. Tears welled up in her eyes. Should she read it now? Was it too late? With shaking hands, she opened the envelope. Inside was a letter, the last letter. My dearest Anna, if you are reading this, then I am gone. And I know we did not part on good terms, but there are things I need to say. You were always the light of my life. Even when we disagreed, I never stopped loving you. That I know I was hard on you at times. And for that, I'm sorry. You are strong, intelligent, and kind that I see myself in you. And that scared me that I wanted to protect you. But sometimes I push too hard. Forgive me, my daughter. In the kitchen, behind the blue teapot, there is another letter. Please read IT. IT holds something I never had the courage to say face to face. With all my love, Mom. Anna wiped her tears and walked to the kitchen. She found the old blue teapot. Behind it was another envelope. This one said, "For the truth." She opened it carefully. Inside was a photo of a young man that on the back, it said, "Your father." Anna stared at the photo. She had never seen him before. Her mother always said he left before she was born. But the letter said otherwise. Anna, I kept this from you for too long. Your father didn't leave us. He died in an accident before you were born. I never told you because I wanted to be strong, that I didn't want you to grow up with sadness. But I realize now you deserve the truth. He loved you before he ever met you. He chose your name. He wrote letters for you, which I kept hidden. They are in the attic, in a brown box labeled Hope. Please read them. Know that you are always loved by both of us. Anna rushed to the attic. Dust covered everything. She searched until she found the box. Hope, it said in faded ink. Inside were letters tied with ribbon. Each one was written in a neat, careful hand. They were from her father, T.O. her. Dear Anna, the first one began. If you are reading this, you are probably very young. I may not be there, but I want you to know I love you. Letter after letter, he spoke of his dreams for her first steps, her first day of school, her birthday. Anna read them all through the night. Tears fell, but so did smiles. She felt closer to the father she never met, and to the mother she had misunderstood. In the morning, sunlight filled the room. Anna stood by the window, holding the last letter. She whispered, "Thank you." She no longer felt alone. Love had been with her all along, hidden in letters, waiting to be found. You did it. You finished the story. Repeat this video daily to build your English fluency and confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.